Jimmy, please say something.
James?
What? Who are you? Mom, I thought you told me never to talk to strangers.
Like I said before, Jimmy, please be nice to your new stepfather.
Okay, rich guy. I love it that you're twice as old as my grandfather and you're fat and bald.
That's enough! I've had it with you, you little brat!
You've upset your mother. I've got half a mind to beat you.
Half a mind is right. Suddenly he realizes.
I can't believe you, you little monster. We'll deal with you when we get back from our honeymoon. Next year.
Here we are, boy. Bullworth Academy. Have fun, Jimmy. I'll think of you from our cruise ship.
Whatever. Mom, why'd you marry that phony? What is wrong with you? I can't believe this.
You must be the Hopkins boy.
Where'd you come from?
We've been expecting you. Welcome to Bullworth Academy. I'm sure you'll be very happy here. Very happy indeed. Anyway, I can't spend my life waiting around for naughty little boys. I've got a man to make happy. The headmaster is expecting you, Hopkins, in his study.
Okay.
His study is over there, boy, in the main building. Don't keep Dr. Crabblesnitch waiting. He's a brilliant man. Brilliant.
You're gonna be pissing blood!
I'm going to move to a
You're
big
not
city
doing
with
me.
big... Look familiar? I won't tell, just don't hurt
I'm an excellent boxer, you know.
I have to leave now.
Hello there, ma'am.
Ah, yes. So, you must be Hopkins.
Uh-huh.
What? Uh-huh. What?
I meant yes, sir.
Very good. Now, let me see. You've done a lot of naughty things, haven't you? Vandalism, graffiti, bad language, violent conduct, disrespecting staff. Oh, I'm scared of you, Hopkins.
Come on, give me a break.
Yes, I've never met a boy like you. Never in all my life. Hopkins, you're quite the nastiest little boy I have ever encountered. Tell me, why should I waste my time on you?
I don't know.
Because it's my calling. It's what I do. You excel at causing trouble, and I excel at fixing little boys like you, at making you into respectable members of our community here at the Academy. I've got a good feeling about you, boy. A feeling you and I are going to be great friends. You keep that nose clean, boy, or I shall clean it myself. Miss Danvers, are you back yet?
Yes, headmaster. And I got your tea.
You are good to me, Miss Danvers.
No more than you deserve, headmaster.
Take our new friend Hopkins here and show him around the school and get him properly attired.
Certainly, headmaster. Come along, boy. I haven't got all day.
And boy, remember, you will have a clean nose, so keep it clean, or we'll clean it for you.
So here I am at probably the worst school in the country, whose alumni are nothing but arms dealers, serial killers, and corporate lawyers. Real scum. And that old creep thinks he can tame me? We shall see, my friend. I only give people what they have coming to them.
Where's your uniform, young Hopkins? Run along now, child.
A fat kid can only take so much!
My mom taught me not to write on walls.
Whatever you say.
for you.
Later.
I don't like you.
Guess what time it is? Yep, time for a beatdown.
Get the new kid. Beat him down.
You wanna play games? Let's play games, asswipe. Come on!
Give him a finisher. Give him a finisher.
Haha, yeah! Take him to hell!
What's the matter? Why you hitting yourself?
That sucked, man! Seriously, that was the worst! You're dead, new kid! Dead!
Hey, you! Break it up! That's enough of that! Break it up! Why are you not in your uniform, young man? Go change immediately!
Aw, come on.
Hey, you're the new kid.
Yeah? What's it to you?
Friendly, aren't you?
Give me a break, loser.
Hey, relax, friend. You're all pent up. Go easy or they put you on medication. They did to me. Boy, nearly sent me insane.
That's fascinating. Now if you'll
I
excuse me.
said relax, friend.
Get off, man.
Listen to me, tough guy. You just arrived at the toughest school in the country, and I'm offering to be your friend. Trust me, in a place like this, you're gonna need friends. So it's up to you. You gonna play nice or what?
Yeah, sure.
Good. So how about I show you around? We don't have a bar in the dorm, just a soda machine. You should probably change into your uniform if you don't want to get in trouble.
You're gonna wish you had a bodyguard! Look at
Nice
those hips we
pull.
go!
Stay down.
Liquid sugar is healthy, isn't it?
Yes, you fool. Fight amongst yourselves. Make sure their eyes can play along with that.
Hey, how you doing? You must be the new kid. I'm Pete Kowalski.
Jimmy Hopkins, and don't ask how I'm doing. I've been here 5 minutes and already people want me dead. Even my parents didn't hate me this quickly.
Well, welcome to Bullworth. It's a dump.
Great, I've been expelled from anywhere halfway decent.
Yeah, I've been expelled from anywhere halfway decent because I'm really bad. Give up the tough guy act, pal.
Hey man, what's your problem?
Well, ADD primarily, but also life, my parents, this school, Western civilization, but really, honestly, enough about me. Oh, I see you've met the dorm's mascot. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Femboy, the girliest boy in school. Petey, haven't you got some imaginary friends to go annoy?
Why don't you leave me alone, Gary?
Look at you. Leave me alone, Gary. I'm really self-important now that I finally hit puberty. What's your problem? I'm just being nice to the new kid as he passes through Bullworth on his inevitable journey to prison.
Look, I gotta unpack. Would you guys mind getting out of here?
Oh, now look what you've done, Pete. Jimmy can't stand you already.
Hey, you grab...
Stranger?
You've got men. Good day, my friend.
Idiot. You know you look silly like that, don't you? to a school in a big city.
Hey, Jimmy, let me show you around this prison.
I'm gonna tell Dr. Gravel.
That's Russell's locker. You know, the big ape who almost put you in the hospital.
Word stupid! Pulverizing good!
What did I ever do to you?
Time to pay your Russell tax!
Come on, don't be a bully.
Stupid! Destroy! This dust enough not to smash you!
Come on, let's break into it and steal something. That'll teach him. Don't let the prefects see you break any rules. They'll hurt you.
Please don't make me cry.
Up yours!
Dr. Gravel says you have to be nice to me. Please.
Well done.
You do know you're not supposed to be doing that.
They think I'm just all talk, do they? The speed of light times the speed of a flying spaceship? Impossible.
Nice outfit, Wim!
Come on, psycho.
That
This
Russell
way.
sure has great delts.
You ever get 1 million points in Grottos and Gremlins?
Oh, man! There's that weird chick Eunice. Let's have some fun with her. Go! See what she wants.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh no!
How are you?
He took my chocolate! Please get it back!
I don't like you!
He's so dreamy!
Just don't understand the minds of troublemakers.
Mr. Number One on the worst dress list.
Anger management is overrated when you can
I
beat
wonder,
people.
could Shakespeare have been Sir Francis Bacon?
There he is. Show him what you're made
Whoa!
of.
Take this stupid chocolate! What gives you the right to do that to me?
Yeah, well, you
Why? Watch it.
Don't be mean. I just had to scratch showing in a history book.
Someone told me that you can get an A in gym class if you beat someone up. I need a French girlfriend. Tard! When I get out of... Thanks! Wanna make out? Sheesh! I'll remember this forever!
You actually kissed her.
I really like
Let's
your
go to the calf. I'll show you who's who.
Come on, handsome!
I hate you!
I can't tell Mom about that at all. She's so...
Feeding time at the zoo. Okay, here's the deal. Over there, we got the nerds. Of course, they're complete social outcasts.
They look pretty harmless.
They're actually sneaky bastards. Their turf is the library. And those are the preps. They're all money and condescending attitudes.
Yeah, massively inbred and completely brainless.
Very observant, Jimmy boy. Now over there are the greasers. They think they're tough.
Or at least try to look tough.
Wouldn't advise messing with them, at least not yet. They hang by the auto shop. And last but not least, the jocks. These guys rule the school. Definitely avoid them.
Whatever, I'm not afraid of some dumb roid monkeys.
You'll learn. Come on, let's go.
You're here to learn, not to goof off. Get to class.
I know I'm forgetting to do something today.
You're so entertaining!
What are you doing in here? Oh, right. Class.
Take care to follow my instructions precisely, as we will be working with volatile chemicals today. Very good. Carry on. Good work. You have a future in chemistry. You're a regular budding scientist, Mr. Hopkins. Like that.
Jimmy Hopkins delivers.
I heard maybe I should abuse my authority and pick on someone innocent. Mom says I have a real honestly.
You seem to be making yourself quite comfortable here, my boy.
I'm just trying to fit in.
By fighting? By making a nuisance of yourself? That is not the Bullworth way, boy.
Yeah, you could have fooled me.
What?
I said you could have fooled me. This place is full of bullies and maniacs.
Nonsense! That's just school spirit. Hijinks. Why, in my day, we felt nothing of castrating the new boys. I want you to stop this nonsense, Hopkins. I want you to behave yourself. You might learn something.
Fine. Can I go now, sir?
On your way.
Hey, I saw you sucking up to Crabble Snitch.
What? Shut up.
Screw you, new kid. This is what we do to teachers' pets around here.
You better not. Ow! Come here, you little...
Yeah, come and get me. You're a whip, kid.
I
won't like me when I'm angry.
Beer have been served.
You're gonna be sorry
What's
if
your
I catch
problem?
You're a bad person.
Dr. Watts says those are dangerous.
I saw him. He ran towards the fountain.
This place is a dump. I'll get him.
Somebody wants to be handicapped.
I'm gonna make you the laughing stock of school.
How about two black eyes? Yeah, two of them.
This'll make me look tough.
What, you crazy or something?
Whoa!
Nice work, Jimmy.
Good for nothing, bum.
I don't get preppies. They have all that cash, but they don't spend it on food.
Screw you.
See you later, Dingleberry. Put 'em up, pal. Let's
You'd
go.
like to eat this? I don't ever want to graduate and give up being a prefect.
Welcome to Bullworth.
I don't like you! You think I'm just gonna lie down and take it, fat tits, skyfall?
Ah, hello, class. The curriculum demands that you do these vocabulary assignments. Why do you finish them here in class? That way you'll have more free time. Well done. Good one. That's right. Keep it up. Good show. Well done. Good one. Keep it up. Ah, you have the makings of a poet laureate, James.
Russell would be barbarian king 1,000 years ago.
Come on, just leave me alone.
Stupid.
Kick it!
Atomic wedgie made him bleed.
You can count on Jimmy.
Have you ever,
been in love?
I'm pretty happy.
I always get picked on. Always, always, always.
Gotta get new sheets again.
Ted Thompson happens to be a close personal friend of mine.
That's great. Oh, you know what?
I got your present right here.
Please don't hurt me. I'll be upset.
So that's a good idea, right?
Yeah, okay, alright, sure, I'll do it.
Hey man, what's going on?
Not much.
I was just telling Petey here about my idea to take over the school. I mean, my plan for us to take over the school.
What plan?
Don't worry, Jimmy. It's just a little something I came up with. It's sink or swim, my friend. And if you're good at swimming, you gotta let the losers drown. Why don't you guys leave the thinking up to me?
What?
What? What the? Can't you say anything else? You know what, Petey? You were right. Jimmy is pretty dumb.
What'd you say about me? Whoa, nothing, no. All I said was that you had to be pretty dumb to get expelled from so many schools, that's all.
Relax, James. All he said was that you must be dumb. Or maybe you're all messed up because you came from a broken home.
What'd you say about me, dwarf?
Come on, dude. Chill.
No. Gary's taking everything out of context, man.
Whoa. Don't lie, Petey. Don't you lie. Because you know what happens to liars?
No, I'm not lying.
We kick them in the balls! Come on, Jimmy, let's go see how good you are with this new slingshot I heard you had. Don't worry, friend. Nothing escapes my notice. I hear everything. You and me, we can do things.
Ow.
Friends are for the weak.
Have to remember to tape that show.
You're going downtown.
If that's all you got, then this is gonna be a pretty you are never.
HE is helium, NE is neon,
Library fines are unfair. $20 is a lot of money.
At least you can be honest with yourself.
See if you can knock out the windows of that bus. I want to see your long-range skill. See if you can get him with your slingshot. That's not a bad shot. I guess you don't suck. Come on.
Stud bumping coming through. You don't want a piece of me. All right.
You look like a girl.
You want me to beat on you?
Man, this itch won't stop.
I said I'd do it.
Why can't there be a school just for gym? You want me to teach you a lesson? Hey, you ever try out the big squid over at the carnival? The cheese is in the hot dog. Amazing. If you
I'm
ask
gonna tell
nicely,
someone
maybe
you
I'll
did
stop.
that.
Or not. People looking at me with some jealous eyes.
I really love bunnies. They're so nice.
I heard that the owner...
Hi there. Dr. Lipstick, I presume.
That fell logic.
Hello?
If this guy fell on my head, I don't think I'd up yours.
Why are you picking on me? You suck.
See ya.
Will you leave me alone?
Who's got the note? What do you say, Brad? The word fire alarm. What do you think of that? Hey, why do you keep falling down? Johnny! Yeah!
Just what I needed.
High five for who set that alarm off? Someone hit the snooze button. Another alarm? Oh, the scummy masses are rioting. Johnny! A fire! Johnny! A fire!
If you keep doing
Johnny!
this,
A fire! It's been like ages since I've seen you last.
Now I have to hurt you, you know? Just when this school needs another doughboy. Why would you do that?
Since I've seen you last.
I'm gonna rip out your heart and finish you.
How can I be expected
Can't go
to
wrong with
survive
sugar
on
and
so little
caffeine.
food? You've unleashed my barbarian rage.